Are the two triangles, example 2, are the two triangles in figure 1.51 similar from the information which is provided over there? So, solution. In triangle PMN and UVW, we take the ratio of PM upon UV, PM upon UV, PM upon UV. That comes out to be 6 upon 3. 6 upon 3 is equal to 2. Similarly, if we take the ratio of Mn, ratio of this Mn upon VW, Mn upon VW, we get it as 10 upon 5, which is again equal to 2. So PM upon UV is equal to 6 upon 3 is equal to 2. So the ratio shown by PM upon UV is 2, and Mn upon VW is also equal to 2, and the included angle, they are congruent. So that has been given. Therefore, triangle PMN is similar to triangle UVW by SAS, test of similarity. SAS, SA, and this is S, SA, and this is S, SAS. So A is at the center, SAS. Test means A has to be the included angle between the two sides. So this side, this angle, and the other side, SAS. If these are proportional, the sides are proportional, and the included angle is congruent, then we can say that it satisfies the test for similarity, and therefore triangle PMN is congruent, similar to triangle UVW.